Okay, got it sauteing. Welcome back to my channel, Miss Gemini Talks. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking today, okay guys? I'm so excited for you guys to see what I whip up in the kitchen. Nothing too crazy. Today is just going to be a simple day. I'm making me some steak. Alright. Shrimp or garlic shrimp. I like to saute my steak. And I'm just going to be making some potatoes. Okay, and broccoli. So just an easy, simple meal that people can do. Nothing too complicated. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I'm about to start prepping everything, getting everything ready. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to be making Brussels sprouts. We only got frozen broccoli in the freezer, and my bae only liked the fresh broccoli. They didn't have any at the supermarket, so I'm going to make some Brussels sprouts, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be back prepping. Guys, I'm back. So I'm about to get ready and clean off my steak. All right, and here's my shrimp. So I gotta put the shrimp in the plate so it can unthaw. Put a little cool water on it. I usually get the shrimp that's already peeled but just have the tail on. For the most part, so I don't have to do all the extraness. I'm not going to be doing so much talking in this video, guys. I'm mainly going to be showing you what I'm doing. And you guys, you know, I'll be having parts of talking as well. But for the most part, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm doing so I can get this stuff cooked and done because your girl is hungry, okay? So, guys, enjoy. I'll be back. Oh, and for the record, I wash my hands before I start the video, and I wash my hands every 5 seconds, guys, so I'm definitely on point with that. Okay, guys, I'm back. Got my steak ready. Letting you know some of the things that I use. Garlic powder, adobo, onion powder, pepper, okay, black pepper, and seasoning salt, okay? we're going to be taking off the tails of the shrimp, okay? I'm gonna season my shrimp, guys. Okay, so I seasoned my shrimp, and what you do is you mix it all in together. What I like to do. Okay, there you go. Shrimp is nice and seasoned, guys. So I'm about to get my pan ready to put on this steak and the shrimp, and I'm going to get the Brussels sprouts cut up and ready right now too. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I got my Brussels sprouts. I'm about to cut these up. Put a little olive oil, a little balsamic vinaigrette. I think, no, not the balsamic vinaigrette. I'm going to use just balsamic vinegar. Okay? And a little salt and pepper. And we're going to put them in the oven. These are all the parts that, you know, you have to cut off on dark spots. So I usually cut those parts off. Okay, guys? So I'll be back. Okay, so we're done with the Brussels sprouts here. So now what we're going to do is put some olive oil on here. Put it right on top. Alright, so next we got the potatoes. Alright, so we're just going to rinse them off, cut them up a little bit, and I'm going to put them in the pot, okay, to get ready. probably gonna take me a little minute, guys, so your girl will be back when I'm done. All right, guys, I'm back. I finished cutting the potatoes, and now I'm gonna put them all in this pot right here, okay, guys, because I'm making smothered potatoes. So I got my Brussels sprouts all seasoned, my steak, shrimp, and I got my potatoes. Okay, guys, so I'm about to get that started. I turned on the stove to 400, and I'm about to put the Brussels sprouts in the oven right now. Don't mind the wrinkle aluminum pan. Okay, so I'm about to get ready and saute. Get the pan ready for the shrimp and steak. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, got it sauteing. Check on these potatoes. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you made it to the end of this little cute cooking vlog. I'm excited excited to tear this food up. Make sure you leave a comment, guys. What is your favorite food to make? So maybe I can try making that dish. All right, stay tuned for another video.